Today I'm making dough strings called Kadayif. I start by mixing flour, cornstarch and a generous pinch of salt in a bowl. Once I mix the dry ingredients, I slowly add water to create the thick, paste-like consistency, which makes it easier to dissolve any clumps. Then I add a bit of oil, mix it in and slowly add more water until the batter is smooth and runny. After that, I let the batter rest for about 20 minutes. Next, I fill a squeeze bottle with the batter and heat a large pan. To create the dough strings, I pour the batter in cycles onto the pan. At first, it doesn't work well because my pan isn't hot enough and the strings stick to the surface and crumble when I try to loosen them. So I lightly oil the pan and try again. The strings still don't hold together perfectly because the pan's heat is uneven, but after a few tries I get the hang of it. Once the pan is fully heated and the strings have the right thickness, they start holding together and no longer crumble, making it much easier to lift them out of the pan without a constant scraping. You can literally see the strings come off the pan by themselves, and it's so satisfying when everything lifts out in one piece. I repeat this process until the bottle is empty, and the strings are done. I'm going to use the strings to make Dubai chocolate, but you can use them for all kind of dessert like baklava or other sweets. To keep them from drying out, I store them in a Tupperware container. That's it for now, thanks for watching.